Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Red Riding Hood on Dress to Impress. So there are a lot of kind of like versions of the characters. Obviously, it's not going to be like exactly the same. I'm just going to do what I want with the character. So I'm just going to get this hair and I'm just going to color this brown. Usually for these outfits, I make them, but now I'm just going to, well, for this one, I'm going to just do it off of what I know. I'm just going to get this top here. I'm going to color this part white and matte, and I'm going to color this part red. I might make it a little bit brighter. Actually, I'll make it darker, and then I'll make the laces darker, like this one here. Or should I? Oh yeah, I'll make it lighter. That's what I mean. What am I saying? Like, what am I even saying? Okay. And then for the skirt, I will be just using the same skirt in that same red. Let me just save that color real quick. Color it red, and then the bottom part white. I do want to use this skirt in the second toggle, color the first one white and then the second color red for that kind of like apron-ish look. Then for the skirt, I think I might just wear some Mary Janes in red, and I'll add in the socks in matte and white. I'm so glad they're bringing the old Mary Janes back later because I really like that one, but if you want, you can also use this here in red as well. And I'm just going to get the cape here in only cape light air in that same red color. And then for an added touch, I'm just going to get this basket. And I'm just going to color some of the flowers here. Let's make it a little bit darker, and then this one a red, and then this one light green. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.